Yes, sir. Welcome back. And today's video is going to be covering what stocks we're going to be investing in throughout the 2026, especially after Venezuela got the shit fucked by the U.S. and the oil is in the U.S. hands now. First things first, we're going to go ahead and oil stocks to watch in 2026. On the list, I had written it down on my phone already. Motherfucker. I just got text saying the other stock might explode, but we're gonna do this real quick. Bro, I was just on this shit right now. I don't know why it didn't close it. Where's it at? What's the bit right here? There you go. All right. What is that? Cruel oil got shit. Cruel oil falls in the charts when it's exposed. I've never seen it. Yeah, that shit is crazy. It's only like a bunch of people or something. What the fuck are these stocks that I have here? Bro. Alright. So, for the first one is going to be CVX. CVX. And this is Chevron. You know, it already fucking took off, honestly. Like, it's crazy. It gapped up. Uh, yeah. There's something gonna be nice. This is one of our, we're gonna start a new little oil stock ETF right here. Watch list. New personal watch list. We're gonna call this shit the oil stocks. Oil stocks. The stock one. Okay. There you go. So we're gonna add this one to oil stock watch list. Also another stock to watch. God damn it, bro. I'm on a bunch of people. Exxon Max. Exxon Mobil. Same thing. They're almost like gonna run the same play, but after all this volume that came in and after the news that happened, bro, this shit's gonna probably break. It's been sitting on breaking levels since 2023, 3 years ago. New regime change and this shit's sparking up. So new money coming in, the world's seeing it. So it's a nice one. It's gonna be the next one we got, we only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one we got Coke. Coke in the Philippines. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck this is, but same thing. Let's see. 2033. Let's get this line. Let's get these trends line going. Yeah, it seems kind of fucking cool. Okay, cool. Yeah. Just gonna be start up. So, oil stocks. So we got 3 already. Mind you, all these stocks, what they're called, like operate or do something in Venezuela. And then the report saying that he wasn't paying people? I don't know what the fuck. So, bro, shit, let them know fucking out. I personally don't give a fuck about none of that politics shit, but when it comes to making money, man, fuck. Them niggas are the best at it. Same thing with this one. Where it's 2017, 13. Way the fuck down here. It got over it, so yeah. It's rough when the president don't want to pay you. So yep, we got this one. Add it on. On you, we're gonna put maybe like a couple $100 into all of these, and then we'll see through the year how it grows. Come on, bro. Let me see this. We got SLB. SLB. Another one, another small sign. The same thing. Pulled up, pushing support. We'll see support holds. But honestly, man, all of these are gonna fucking ramp up this whole year, dude. You think US is gonna give Venezuela back in 2 months? Fuck no. I say they keep that shit. I think they keep that shit, bro. Dude, these niggas are bullies. You can't even judge the current administration, the last administration. Just don't judge none of their administrations. Just do your work and get some money, man. Cause it's crazy, bro. They'll fucking freeze your accounts. I'll do all types of shit. That's why publicly, I don't really be like, fuck it, keep me the fuck out of that politics shit, man. I don't have an opinion on politics. I only have an opinion on my hourly rate wage, which is the only thing I kind of control, right? But anyways, back to SOB. SOB same play. Look, broke out to the thing. 2003, right? To 2003. Try to break out, couldn't, pull back down. It's probably because Venezuela had the money. I'm just playing. But here you go. That's first target, and then our first target, and then our second target will be kind of here, and our third target will be kind of here. But this is a long-term investment, you know. This bitch is gonna run, bro. All right, let's add this to our oils, stocks, and then I think we got a couple more. So and then we got Valero. I guess Valero uses equipment to clean the oil, the gasoline, because I guess Venezuela's dirty ass oil. I mean, Venezuela got some dirty ass oil. You still gotta clean it, and that's where Valero comes in. I guess they have I guess they have a lavadora for oil. I'm just playing. If you don't know what a lavadora is, it's a fucking washing machine. But I was just playing. There's no washing machine for oil, clearly. But anyways, I'm putting the support levels on all these high points, and we get ready to go. Honestly, I think, but look, Valero just been going over the past 3 years. It's slowly been sterling. It's kept his money, kept his pace. And this one's gonna be a big year for Valero, for Chevron, for all the American gas companies, bro. They're gonna get suited up, bro. Alright, so same thing with Valero. I told you guys that they have equipment that cleans oil, and fucking Valencia's oil, or whatever the fuck. Venezuela's oil is dirty, so they're gonna get paid probably to clean some oil. Nice buying spot at 180. Just hold that bitch at the end of the year, or whenever the fuck we give Venezuela back. Alright, let me add this to the watch list. And we got last one, MPC. Marathon Product Corporation. I don't even know how to say petroleum. Oh, petroleum. Marathon Petroleum Corporation. What the fuck is petroleum? I'm playing. I know what petroleum is. It's like oil, but like a different form of oil. Anyways, when was it? 2013. Oh, it's doing better than most of the stocks that were doing in 2023. Damn, it's been hella fucking years. Alright. We're just putting our support levels in every spike. And then we're eventually gonna. Alright, cool. So now We got our levels. We got our entry, target, second target, and third target, right? Yeah, that's what I'll do. Get in here, try to sell my stocks here, buy a recop, and then just kind of move it. As you make profits though, like you get in here and you get around here, sell some, and then recop more shares, and then just don't. I wouldn't just hold it here. I'll keep buying more shares and eventually sell it all together. But because it's just been going up since 2019. Kind of just hold it right here, and now it's probably gonna take off. We'll see. Gonna order a little bit of that too. Boom. All right, so we got what, 7 stocks we're gonna be watching for the oil Venezuela takeover. We got Valero. Okay. No, that's not Valero. God damn it. All right. We got Valero, big player, cleans oils and shit. We got SLB Limited. I don't know what the fuck they do, but they're involved. Fucking Hall. What is this one? Hillbilly Hill Hilly Burnt Cope. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck this does, but I'm sure it's some oil tankers. But Marathon Petroleum, these ones fat. I personally like this one because of the way it kept going over the years, kind of consolidated from 24, 25, and now 26. It might make its play. So it's a big one. This is a nice one. Same thing with Chevron. Same thing with Chevron, bro. Look, 2022 is gonna start growing. 23, 24, 25, it got fucking slammed. But like American politics do, they help each other out. So Chevron fucking is ready to bust out, bro. Yeah, ready to bust out of jail, boy. Chevron gonna get higher than Giraffe Pussy in a little bit. Okay. Okay, cool. So you see how it's kind of now it's gonna put forward back. It got over the MA, so that's great. Like I will say, target. My first target would be right here, but I remember I'm holding this for a long time. First target right here, and then just suit up right after that. Sell your stocks, buy some more on our area, and then just hold it to the year, bro. Everybody uses fucking gasoline, bro. Everybody uses gasoline. Everybody uses gas to get to work, not to get to work. You know what I'm saying? So like, I don't think oil is like a bad investment. Oil, gold, and silver right now are like really, really popping. I don't know why the fuck the silver is popping or gold, but I think when people fear like recession and shit, and, like losing their money, losing their wages and shit like that, they reserve into like material things for them to add value to it. That's why Bitcoin, it does what it does, and it still has a lot of the value is hold because nobody really controls it. Yeah, it's kind of off. But by saying that to saying oil would be like the safest bet, you know what I'm saying? Like oil, everything uses oil. Fucking cars, electricity, motorcycles, weapon, war, all these crazy shit that they do around seas, like military base, the tankers, they all use oil, you know what I'm saying? They don't use gold, they don't use silver, they use oil to machine the shit. So oil is a good investment, especially now after the bullshit that happened. Yeah, it's gonna be a good year for oil, bro. Chevron, yeah, I already put I'll put the support and then the resistance. Now we're gonna watch it play. COP, what is this? Cornian Philippines. It's probably like a Philippine oil tanker, but don't fear. We're gonna put the support, we're gonna put resistance, and we're gonna put target 1, target 2, target 3, target 4, target 2. Shit. Target 2, target 3, target 4. Yeah. Hey man, to any traders out there, bro, echan ganas, cause working is not that fun. This real life work, this real life shit, it's just not fun, bro. Like I'd rather live in a, I'd rather live in the world I was living in before this shit. This shit is crazy. This, yeah, man, echan ganas en la vida, cause nigga, this working shit is not it, bro. Yeah, it's really not it. Um, anyways, we're gonna go back to okay, cool. We did our targets. Now we're gonna get into it and try to sell here, try to sell here, and try to sell here, here, and then here. Eventually getting out at 140 and then recomping and then kind of just staying there. But this is a good stock to watch. Now that's really at the bottom, kind of just was dwindling for a big upside. Yeah, yeah. I honestly wouldn't put a lot into this because of the volume. But once you see volume start popping up in here, like 100, 50,000, 50 million, that's when you start investing in it. And right now, this probably a sitter, but it still made it onto our list. Last but not least, ExxonMobil Corporation. Yeah, bro. There's a couple of these that are like a must get in. This is one of them, bro. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the ones that are a must get in, and the other ones that are not really ready for a breakout, we could probably just leave those until later. Um, yeah, we could bring it for later. Cool. All right. So yeah, we'll get in here. Really breakout point, and get in here, try to run it up. If it breaks out, pulls back to the support, I would add again. So this one's good. This one's almost not that bad. Chevron's a fat one. People gonna make money. This one's interesting, man. Cause it needs to get over these MAs and then whoop. So almost not bad. Ooh, this one's interesting too. The hallway. It got targets and shit, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, cool, cool, cool. We got target 1, 2, 3, and so fucking on, right? At the very end. So we're gonna get in it. Right? Our stop will probably be at like what, 28. And just try running as fast as possible. Not fast, but trying to run it to first and second and then third. This one's good. Another one too. This one looks crazy as well. Buy this one. We got Chevron. Yeah, definitely buy some fucking Chevron. Buy some Chevron stocks. Yeah. Buy some Chevron stocks. Alright, so out of the 7, we really watching 6. One's not really ready yet, but yeah, man. We went through the stocks. We went through, what's it called? Oil stocks for 2026. We had all of these right here. Maybe a little bit of money on each, but we'll see how they go around the year. Thank you for watching, and happy investing. I want to hear a joke before you guys go. What do you call black brother-in-law? Wait, what do you call a black lawyer? A brother-in-law. All right, you guys have a good one. Bye bye.